Everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. So I've got some new things that I just saw today at the Dollar Tree. Okay, this is just a pop-up Dollar Tree haul because it was not planned, and I saw this hand soap and it says Kitchen Lemon, and I just thought that seemed kind of retro. Anyway, I did smell it and it smells so good. Okay, it does smell exactly like lemons. I love the smell of it. So anyway, guys, that's going in my kitchen. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that. And that's actually 16 ounces, which is pretty good. That's pretty good for $1.25. And I'll do a little bit more of a close-up on it so you can see it says Delta Home. And it's kind of like that greenish lime color. I have my light in a different area tonight, so hopefully this is okay. So if any of you saw one of my videos recently, I put these crates together over my toilet in my bathroom. I used I think I want to say 16. Let me think about this. 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, no, 14, okay? And I will link that video if I remember. But anyway, I put mine standing up the long way, but you can also put it this way, okay? And the reason I'm showing you this is because in the video I put some lipsticks here. The lipsticks work perfect if there's something underneath it, but I want to show you what fits in it really good so that things won't roll out of it. Okay, so I grabbed a couple of these, and these are by Essentials, and they got like that rubber on the inside of them. Let me change my light because I don't like it. Okay, this is how I usually put my light. Hopefully it works out good. So if you keep it the long way, I was in the store in Dollar Tree tonight, and they still have these white crates in there. So I got one of the white crates and measured and to see if this would work. So like I said, these are from Essentials. They're white. They're perfectly square. I'm pretty sure these are exactly a square. Yeah, they are. And then if you want to put it in this way, it fits in nice and snug because I did it in the store, so I know I can do it. So that's nice and snug in there. So that really won't come out anywhere, you know. If you like one to put, oh, there, I pushed it in a little bit better. Okay. So that fits in there really good. So in case you want to put like things that you know are going to roll. But then if you put it this way, it doesn't fit in as snug. And I like it the snug fit better. Okay. And then I got these wood pieces. Okay, and these wood pieces, they're really like wall shelves. And there's 2 in here. Okay. Let me get that a little bit better. So there's 2 pieces in here. And they got the string on it. But I'm not going to use them for that reason. Because not this way, but again, this way, they fit really nice and snug. Okay. So I'm looking for something so I can have a bottom to my shelves in the bathroom. And actually, let me just show you what I mean by the bathroom pieces that I put together. Okay, this is what I mean by what I put over the toilet in the bathroom. Okay. Okay. So, but I'm trying to make it nice and neat. And instead of having like that in there, I want to have like one of those little white things I just showed you, like the little white square thing. So anyway, guys, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, because I don't want, there's the lipsticks that are all like in the hole right there, if you hadn't seen that video. But I want like, you know, something flat for here, and up here I want to have like the little white things. I keep calling them the little white things. You know what I mean. The first thing I showed you, a little cube. Okay, I'm going to take that mess out of there and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, now that stuff is in there and it's not going anywhere. It's not going to like fall out and roll down, because I put it in there nice and snug. And it's actually in there pretty good. So, okay, now getting back to this. This fits in there so snug. I mean, really nice. And you get 2 for $1.25. So that's actually a pretty good deal, because there's 2 pieces of wood in here. And I'm just trying to get organized, guys. So anyway, then I got this game, and it's called Sketch It. And if you've ever seen that game, Win, Lose, or Draw, I remember it was on, you know, like a long time ago, but I do remember that show. It's very similar to that. It says draw a card and flip the timer and then sketch. And so here's one box of it. On the other side it does have, is that Spanish, Elena?
Yep.
That's Spanish, okay. So there's Spanish on the back, okay. And so anyway, I'll show you how it looks open up because we played it and we had fun playing it. Okay, this is a little bit dingy now. It wasn't like that when we first opened it up. But they're calling that a whiteboard. You can see kind of right through it though, okay? And then here's the game. Here's the cards and you turn them over and each person is supposed to be like a team, I think. I think it's like 2 against 2. So say I had to draw a spaceship and then my opponent would have to guess what it is, okay? So you do the timer. And the opponent obviously does not see the card that says spaceship on it, only I do. And they only have, like, I think it's like 30 seconds maybe, I don't know. And so then I'm gonna show off and draw a spaceship, right? So anyway, okay, so my granddaughter guessed it though, because if you're a really good drawer, you know, they will guess what you're drawing, okay? I'm not saying I'm the greatest drawer in the world, but you know what I mean, right? So anyway, she guessed it, okay? So anyway, this is a really fun game. We had a great time doing it. But I think she was drawing really bad on purpose, so I wouldn't guess it because she kept winning. So anyway, then I saw this. This is so cute, okay? And this is a puzzle, and one of my grandsons loves Peppa Pig. Every time he comes over, he says, Nana, put on Peppa Pig. So I thought this would be really cute for him to have. It's so cute, the little Peppa Pig puzzle. And then Dollar Tree has some nice florals this year. And this is the one that I thought kind of looked a little bit more realistic than anything they've ever had, actually. These are called silver dollars. Okay, so I got 2 because I'm trying to build things up out on my balcony. And every time I go in there and see something that looks a little bit more realistic, I'll grab it. And then they have these felt rolls in the Craft a Square section. And these are softer and more pliable than the felt pads that they have. And I'm trying to make something cute for the dollhouse, like little bedspreads and little pillows. And so I thought that this would be really cute. I was looking for pink. They didn't have pink. It might end up showing up. I don't know. And then I got some of this tulle because I also got some dowels because I'm going to make some curtains for the dollhouse too. So when I do that, I'll show you guys. And then last but not least, guys, I got one of these broom holders, and I already have one, but I saw somebody do something with this in a different way, cut it in half, and this is sticky on the back, and then put like a broom through it, so make it like a curtain rod. And when I end up doing that, I'll show you that too, guys. I was fascinated with it when I saw it, and if you think I can think of the person who did it, I can't. But I just happened to catch it, I'm going to say about a month ago, and I was like mesmerized by it. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do because I do need to widen up my curtains in my bedroom because of the way I have it on there. I have it like with almost like a rod that has like what can I can't think of that word. I'm thinking of the spring rod, and I don't want to use the spring rod because it, you know, I want this. So if it works out for me, guys, I'll show you how it looks. But anyway, that's it. Thanks so much for coming along and watching my little pop-up Dollar Tree haul. Everything's $1.25, as you probably already know. And that's it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye now.